Welcome everyone, it's Meghan here from the Teach Better team with a short video series to offer some information about Weebly. In these videos, we will talk about what Weebly is, how to create an account, creating and editing a page, and how you can use Weebly. So let's start with what is Weebly. Weebly is a free website builder with a variety of customizable templates, domains, and easy-to-use tools. There are so many choices when you're creating grids, but I've gotten asked by a lot of people, and I have a lot of people that are very curious about websites. And Weebly has kind of become my one-stop shop to house everything that I need for my students. So let's start with, how do we create an account on Weebly? Once you have your browser open, you're going to go to Weebly.com. And once you go to Weebly.com, you can see where it says up in the right-hand corner, log in and sign up. So we're going to click sign up, and it's going to give us a couple spaces to fill out. So we're going to start with our first name and our last name. And you're going to put your email that you would like to sign up with. So I'm going to say Meghan@teachbetter.com, and you are going to create a password. And then select your country and press sign up for free. Now, as this is working, Weebly is a free website service. And once you get your Weebly set up, we are going to walk through kind of setting up like a standard page and what that would look like. So you have a couple options here. I just need a website, or I need a website with an online store. So I'm going to stick with I just need a website. And to start this, it wants you to select a theme. So you've got a lot of different options. The theme is just what you see is what you get with it. And when creating my Weebly, I pretty much started with a theme, and I got rid of a lot of what was on it, or replaced a lot of what was on it with what would fit for myself, for my classroom, for my students. So you can kind of scroll through the setup and find something that you like. You have, there's, one for events, one for more of a blog. These are some that are coming soon if you want to look at other ones. Basically, what I would pay the most attention to is what this looks like across the top, because that's going to come pretty standard for your grid. So whatever setup you pick, it's going to come pretty standard up here. I would maybe pick something like this, where what I'm looking at is that background is totally something that I could keep. I can also get rid of it and change it, but it's absolutely something that I can keep. So if I just click on this one, it's a theme preview. You can see up here, all of this will be things that we will edit as we go, but we'll start here and just click start editing. And this is where it really becomes yours to create and yours to personalize. So this is what your dashboard will look like, but first we need to select our domain name. So let's say Meghan teachbetter.weebly.com, and we'll click search. Now, what you want to do is you want to skip this part, because you can see here it says included free with a 1-year plan. You want to go down to free with Weebly branding on your site. You want to click that one because we want the free one. So we've got Meghan teachbetter.weebly.com, and we'll click done. Now, this is what our dashboard looks like. And in our next video, we are going to talk about how to edit what you're seeing on our dashboard, and also how to create and edit a page that could host your grid.